Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm quite excited for today's video because as you can tell by the title, I Stylist picked my outfits and actually choose like a company to do that, which is called Lookiero. I have here like the box, which is quite big and also quite heavy, not gonna lie, but I feel like it looks kind of cute. And so I'm super excited to see what the stylist picked for me. On their website on lookiero.com there's like a questionnaire that you need to take, and then you can also like add some picture, which is what I did. Those are the pictures that I added, and then you can also like add your Instagram or your Pinterest board. I never really got into Pinterest. I always was like a weird it kind of girl. But you guys know that I'm into Instagram, which is like at 20_official, and so I linked my Instagram. I'm actually kind of curious to see what somebody else think that my style is, kind of based on my Instagram and on the option like that I selected. So yeah. This box is literally huge, so that better be exciting. Guys, I can't open it. Why do I always struggle? All the freaking times I need to open something on camera, I always struggle. And I always want to do like something aesthetic that like looks good on camera, but then that's definitely not practical, so there we go. Okay, so are we ready for it? Oh my god, I'm also gonna try everything on and see like how it actually looks. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Okay, these looks really nice. Like, look at that. That's quite like a selection. Okay, so we have like some cards that my stylist picked for me, and this is oh my god, this looks so like professional. So this one says, "Hi Vanessa, welcome to Lookiero. I'm Chloe and I'll be your personal shopper." I'm actually, you know what, I'm not gonna like read this all. I'm gonna read this later and look through this ones later as well. So I just wanna be surprised. So yeah, let's just do it. Let's just like open this up and see what we got. Oh my god, this is so exciting, guys. You have no idea. Okay. I mean, it's summer. Why? So, the first thing that she picked up is a jumper. A really oversized jumper, let me tell you. Like, what? I'm so confused. This one is a really, like, expensive, oversized jumper. Like, £45.90 for these? Are you for real? What is it? Honestly, the first thing is a flop, but okay, you know what, I'm just gonna like show them up. I'm gonna try them on. Next up, oh god, this is making so much noise. Okay, so as I was saying, next up we got these jeans, which are £34.99, and they're not skinny. Surprise, surprise. So they do look quite big. What size is this? Oh, this is a nest. How can a nest be this big? Guys, I can't really lie to you. I'm not a fan of the color. It's definitely not a color that I would pick, and it's definitely not a fit that I would pick either. Also, they're from the brand Byee. I don't really know the brand. I've never heard of them, but okay, that was supposed to be my first look. Honestly, don't even let me start on outfit number one. It was super hot. The jeans are definitely not doing it. Look at that, that's too much fabric. And the sweater kind of looks cute, but it was so itchy. Not gonna lie, I'm quite disappointed because I don't know where she saw this on my Instagram at all. But we're gonna move on with look number two. Hopefully Lookiero can redeem itself. Okay, so here's look number two. Let's open this up. This makes so much noise. Oh, okay. Oh, is it a dress? Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't know about the length of it. I feel like it looks a bit long. And probably will not pick this color myself for the summertime. But this one might be my style. Like, I see what she wants to do with this one, like where she wants to go. Once again, I don't know about the brand. It's called Warehouse. I've never heard of them. But this is kind of cute. I mean, yeah, I don't mind the dress. The other two are like totally fail. The dress is kind of nice. So this is something that I would definitely pick up myself, although it's way too long, but I really like the sleeves. Okay, next up, we got this really basic, probably really expensive t-shirt looking thingy. I think it's like a blouse, and how much was it? £23.50. Like, really, for these? Like, you can get this, well, maybe the quality is better, yeah, but like you can definitely get this in Primark for like way cheaper. So yeah, we got a black t-shirt to pair with these shorts, which are quite interested. I feel like these are gonna be so big on me though, because like this bit is supposed to stay on your waist, I'm pretty sure, and my waist is like snatched, and those are definitely gonna be way too big on me. But so the shorts are actually quite big on me, so I don't really like that, and the t-shirt is definitely super basic and also falling apart. So here's my final thoughts on Lookiero. I feel like if my personal shopper actually had looked at my Instagram, she would probably not pick up all this stuff. Not gonna lie, I feel like the outfit inspo that I gave her are really different than these. And I kind of have feelings that these outfits are already like pre-made. It's like, it's literally summertime now. Who on the right mind will like shop a sweater in summertime? And I'm not talking about like a light hoodie, I'm talking about a full-on sweater, which by the way was so freaking itchy as well. So yeah, that was a fail. The first outfit was definitely a fail. Those jeans, I not only hate the shape of them, you guys know I'm really into like skinny jeans myself, or like mom's jeans. I don't like jeans that are in between the skinny and mom, because like they're just not flattering at all, and I'm honestly not into them at all. And the shade of them, oh my god, the shade was so freaking bad. I remember there was a section where you could write, and I specifically said my favorite color is pink. Pink! I did not receive one single item that was pink for the life of me. So yeah, first outfit, total fail. With the second outfit, I feel like she played kind of safe. I do like denim shirts, and I do like shorts that are like high-waisted, so I feel like she went for that sort of vibe. But the t-shirt thingy that she gave me, like the black one, that was a total fail. And the shirts were also way too big for me, but like that's probably my fault because I was the one who picked the measurement, but of course your measurements are gonna change depending on the clothing brand. So yeah, I would say that was a fail as well. The only thing that I kind of liked and that I kind of knew I would like was like the dress, because it's definitely a pattern that I would go for. I feel like I do have something similar to it. It's just that it was way too long, and yes, I could technically make it short, but it was also like close to £50, and so I'm probably not gonna keep it if I need to like modify it to wear it. And yeah, that was my experience with Lookiero. Low-key, I'm probably gonna bring everything back. They already provide you all the information you need to do returns, and returns are free, which was like one of the reasons why I wanted to test this one out. So yeah, that was my experience. If you guys would like to try it, it's just £10, and if you don't like the items, you can just return it. I think it's nice. It's probably best for someone who has no idea though what their style is and they want to try something else, rather than someone like me who's a shopaholic, who really knows her style and who likes to shop for herself. That was probably not the best idea, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I had a lot of fun filming this video, so I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below if you ever tried Lookiero or any sort of like company that does this thing. I know there another one is called Fartfetch or something like that. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you like to try it out or if you did already. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a brand new video every Friday and a music related one every Tuesday. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!